Namaste, and welcome to the AI SME Export Readiness Assistant, a comprehensive, AI-powered platform built exclusively for Indian small and medium enterprises. India's SME sector contributes significantly to our export economy, yet many businesses face challenges navigating complex export regulations, documentation requirements, and government schemes. This platform bridges that gap by providing intelligent, end-to-end export guidance, from HS code analysis and market identification, all the way to logistics planning and government incentive discovery. Let us explore what this platform offers. The platform is purpose-built for India's export ecosystem. It integrates directly with DGFT workflows, Foreign Trade Policy 2023 guidelines, RoDTEP incentive structures, ECG insurance schemes, IEC registration requirements, and free trade agreement benefits. Using a multi-agent artificial intelligence pipeline, the system delivers complete, end-to-end export intelligence in real time. SMEs can identify export opportunities, discover compliance gaps, assess market readiness, and receive actionable guidance, all through a single, interactive export onboarding dashboard. At the core of this platform is a powerful 5-agent AI workflow engine. Each agent is a specialized intelligence module designed to handle a distinct dimension of export readiness. Together, these 5 agents analyze your product, assess your compliance status, map required documentation, identify government incentives, and plan your logistics, delivering a complete export readiness assessment in minutes rather than weeks. This multi-agent architecture ensures no critical export requirement is ever missed. The HS Code Analyzer agent is your first point of intelligence. It automatically analyzes your product description and maps the correct harmonized system classification code used in international trade. Beyond classification, the agent detects applicable export restrictions, identifies sector-specific certifications your product requires, and precisely calculates your eligibility for RoDTEP duty remission and other export incentive schemes under India's foreign trade policy. The Market Intelligence Agent takes your product and identifies the most promising international markets for export. It evaluates benefits available under India's free trade agreements and comprehensive economic partnership agreements with target countries such as UAE, USA, United Kingdom, Germany, Singapore, Japan, and Australia. Export opportunities are ranked by market demand, and the agent presents country-wise trade advantages, preferential duty rates, and competitive positioning insights to help you prioritize the right markets. The Documentation Mapping Agent eliminates one of the biggest pain points for first-time exporters, figuring out exactly which documents are required. This agent generates a complete, customized export documentation checklist for your specific product and target market. It maps every mandatory approval and registration including IEC, Letter of Undertaking, RCMC, APEDA certifications, FSI approvals, and customs clearance documents, showing the responsible authority, expected processing time, and estimated cost for each item. The Policy and Incentive Scout Agent works as your personal government scheme advisor. It scans the full landscape of DGFT schemes and identifies every subsidy, incentive, and benefit your business is eligible for. This includes RoDTEP duty remission, EPC machinery import benefits, advance authorization for duty-free inputs, SME export incentives, and Export Promotion Council membership benefits. This agent ensures Indian exporters never leave government money on the table due to lack of awareness. The Logistics and supply chain agent completes the export readiness picture by addressing your operational preparedness. It recommends the most efficient export ports based on your location and product category, provides intelligent shipment routing options, and suggests a network of customs house agents and freight forwarders suitable for your needs. The agent also estimates your first shipment timeline and flags any operational gaps that need to be resolved before you can begin exporting commercially. The platform synthesizes intelligence from all 5 agents into a comprehensive export readiness dashboard. At its center is an AI-generated export readiness score that reflects your business's overall preparedness for international trade. The dashboard presents an SME export maturity grade, a prioritized list of actionable compliance gaps, and a risk severity classification system that categorizes issues as critical, high, medium, or low priority. A visual progress pipeline helps you track your journey from assessment to first shipment. The platform provides deep market and trade intelligence across 7 priority export destinations for Indian SMEs: UE, USA, United Kingdom, Germany, Singapore, Japan, and Australia. For each market, the platform identifies applicable SEPA and FTA benefits that reduce or eliminate import duties, maps product-specific international demand trends, and simulates duty and customs cost scenarios. This intelligence empowers Indian businesses to make data-driven decisions about which markets to enter and in what sequence. Legal compliance is a critical concern for Indian exporters, and the platform addresses it comprehensively. The Compliance Intelligence module is built on an integrated reference framework covering DGFT regulations, Foreign Trade Policy 2023, FEMA provisions, and the Customs Act. It maps GST letter of undertaking requirements for export shipments, provides ISGATE and shipping bill documentation guidance, and maintains a continuously updated export law reference knowledge base to keep your business on the right side of Indian export regulations. India offers one of the most generous export incentive landscapes in Asia, and this platform ensures you capture every benefit available to your business. The Government Scheme Intelligence module identifies your RoDTEP rate and eligible amount, recommends appropriate export credit insurance policies to protect against payment defaults, assesses EPC and advance authorization eligibility, and maps relevant schemes from APEDA, the Spices Board, and various SME export support programs under the Ministry of Commerce. The Product Export Analysis module provides a granular, product-level assessment of your export potential. For each product in your portfolio, the platform estimates annual export opportunity value, maps all applicable regulatory bodies and certification requirements, validates whether any export restrictions or licensing requirements apply, and provides FOB pricing support inputs. This product-level intelligence helps you build a realistic and profitable export product strategy before committing resources to international market entry. The Business Intelligence module translates your export readiness data into concrete financial projections and an actionable plan. It generates an annual export revenue opportunity estimate based on your product, target markets, and readiness level. A first shipment timeline is automatically calculated based on your current compliance status. The module then produces a step-by-step export action plan with milestones, timelines, and priority actions, giving you a clear roadmap from assessment to your first successful international shipment. The platform delivers an enterprise-grade user experience worthy of the ambition of Indian exporters. The dashboard features a premium export-themed design built on fully responsive HTML and CSS architecture, ensuring seamless use across desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. The 5-agent workflow is visualized through an interactive animated pipeline. Real-time simulation provides instant feedback at every step. The interface uses modern typography and a multi-panel analytical layout with cards, tables, severity badges, and progress indicators throughout. The platform guides every user through a structured onboarding process that gathers all the context needed for accurate export readiness assessment. Input collection covers your company profile, industry sector, annual turnover, and years of export experience. You then profile each export product, select target markets, and indicate your preferred export channels. Finally, the platform assesses which documents and registrations you already possess, so the AI agents can focus their guidance on precisely what your business still needs to achieve. The business value of this platform is transformative for Indian SME. It removes the complexity and confusion that prevents thousands of capable Indian businesses from exporting. It replaces expensive export consultants with intelligent AI guidance available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It surfaces government incentives worth lakhs of rupees that businesses are entitled to but never claim. Most importantly, it democratizes access to export intelligence, making world-class export guidance equally available to a small manufacturer in Coimbatore and a large enterprise in Mumbai. This platform is designed to serve the full spectrum of India's export community. SME taking their first steps into international trade will find clear, jargon-free guidance tailored to their starting point. Experienced exporters will discover new market opportunities and unclaimed incentives. Export consultants and DGFT advisory firms can use the platform to serve more clients more efficiently. Trade facilitation agencies, export promotion councils, agri-export businesses, and manufacturing exporters across sectors will all find relevant, actionable intelligence within this single platform. Thank you for exploring the AI SME Export Readiness Assistant. India's export potential is enormous, and this platform exists to ensure that every Indian SME, regardless of size, location, or prior export experience, has access to the intelligence and guidance needed to compete and succeed in international markets. We invite you to begin your export readiness journey today. Assess your business, discover your opportunities, claim your incentives, and take the first step towards becoming a global exporter from India. Jai Hind.